Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I am here at Orlando and I'm meeting with Christine. We're gonna have breakfast in Bomas at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Then after I might go to Disney Springs. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Let's go. For a plate or something. It's here. There you go, ma'am.
Oh.
You're welcome. Look at this. Good morning. Let's try the croissant.
I don't like Nutella.
Oh my god. Let's take a photo over there. We're back in them balls. It is real muggy right now.
The inside the ball is under refurb right now, and
It
it's very
is.
sad.
We are under the breezeway, aka where the mean paint traders are. Let's see what's here. First row of the day. All of them fake. It's so hot, y'all. This is Christine's board, and these is mine. I traded for one of the 70th, two of the ones that I was missing from the toy box, and another Disneyland D. These are the ones that I have left. Should be having a giant one though. This is the D that I need. So we're sitting in this dirty table in the middle of Epcot, because this is where Pin Trader comes to trade, I guess. I am probably gonna write Guardians and dip. I just literally walked on this line. It was a 15-minute wait.
And now we set a course for the future. Let me show you how I see the world.
Vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Just because I walked on that, I think I'm doing it again. Why not? Single Redders. Skipping through the line. All the way to the front.
Oh, let's try another.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
And of course, we gotta do Guardians.
All Xandarians. What's happening?
Unless we cannot stop this unusually. You're lying to them. Now I understand.
Now my day comes to an end over here in Epcot. Did lots of pin trading, rode Test Track twice, Guardians, and yeah, if you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.